we're going to try and do this here. So, current weather radar, you can see stuff starting to move into the northwest corner of the state. You can see all the advisories, watches, warnings starting to pop up. Road conditions look good so far. And currently everything that's popping up there for the most part is not frozen. And I got a few little areas here where you have some road conditions are starting to be partially covered with ice and snow. But the fun stuff, here we go. Forecast. So this is the GFS model. Let's go into, let's see, this latest model run. Yeah, close enough. So let's do a slideshow. So there is the snowfall that's coming through tomorrow. And this is the one that could be the problem right there. So we get through the weekend, and it looks like right now, if I go to the kind of nowcast of the snowfall, flip through, still kind of in that same range, 1 to 4 inches across the metro. You guys on the east side over in Cedar Rapids, Iowa City, looking at more, but I say we're probably going to be probably 2 to 4 inches here. It's kind of my guesstimate right now. But here's kind of the interesting outlier. So this is going to take us deep into the week here. So this model is only showing, you know, about 2 inches metro, but as we keep going, notice the starts increasing. Hold on. GFS. Here we go. And we go. Oh, there we go. Okay. So long-term forecast. And just see the, ooh, yeah, see that right there? That is Monday the 8th, about 10 a.m. local time. And then it just kind of keeps going and going. That's a little better than what I saw earlier. So if I walk it back, so about like Wednesday, we're looking at between now and Wednesday, possibly 12 inches of snow there. That's the 10 to 1 ratio. Let's look at the Kuchera version. Step through that. Yeah, this is the one that gets a little more interesting. So as we get to, yeah, see those numbers increasing there? So as of Tuesday or Wednesday, if you look at the Kuchera index ratio thing, yeah, that right there is saying 26.5 inches of snow that will have fallen between now and then. But honestly, anything past about 36 to 48 hours, snowfall amounts are not accurate. But so this gets us to Friday. So yeah, long and short of it is next week is going to be kind of crazy. Definitely going to have snowfall, definitely going to have really, really cold temperatures. We are under a blizzard warning coming into effect. Oh, nice. So for the next 10 days, the long-term forecast, really the big story is the temperatures and the wind. So as we get into Friday, temperatures are going to drop in single digits for lows. Tuesday is going to be a really horribly cold day. High of 4, low of -12. Let's see if they kind of give us an idea of the wind. Maybe? No? There we go. So if you see here the feels like temperatures, brutally cold. High humidity, really low wind chills. So next week is going to be kind of a brutal week, but I think once we get past that, it's going to be starting to warm up again, maybe. So there's our winter weather advisory for the central Iowa. Snow and blowing snow expected, 1 to 3 inches. I think they're pretty right on with that. Winds gusting high as 45 miles an hour. That's really going to toss the snow around and make it really hard to travel, especially if you're out in the open areas near blizzard conditions here. It says slow down and use caution while traveling. I would say just try not to travel tomorrow evening. So this starts 6 a.m. till 6 a.m. Friday, so full 24 hours. So if you have running around, if you didn't get it done tonight, get out first thing in the morning and get it done. Because it's going to get interesting. So HRR, precipitation. I think the timing is still still about right from what I said earlier. We will see a little bit of rain, sleet, mixed precip to begin with, and then it's going to transition to snow. And sorry, east half of the state, you're going to get the heaviest of it, looks like. And probably some icing. That's what that kind of looks like right there. So Leilani and Ricky, get some ice melt. You're probably going to need it. And then it's out of here by late evening. And then we get ready for the next round, which is not in this model. So next 24 hours, 1 to 3, I'd say probably 2 to 4 inches locally. But definitely going to keep an eye on the amounts for next week, because that forecast looks to be pretty crazy for snowfall amounts going into the end of next week. Hopefully it's wrong. Usually it is. Usually they're really way off on snowfall amounts. There's so many things that you have to take into account when you're trying to forecast how much snow is actually going to fall on the ground. That's why most of the time we get it wrong. It's just not easy to figure that out. So that's why I say best guesstimate. Now it's just 24-hour snowfalls per run here. But we are definitely getting more snow over the next week. Keep an eye on things. Stay safe. If you guys have any questions, I will try and answer. I'm not a meteorologist. I just play one on the internets. But yeah, everyone's messaging me, so yeah, shoot me a message if you have any questions. I'll try and answer, but that's kind of my best guess so far. Right now everything's looking pretty normal, so stay safe. Talk to you tomorrow.